Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica and welcome back to another Project Thrift 52 video. It's currently week 38. I'm here in Garner, North Carolina. I'm going to take you into their Goodwill. I've never been here before, so I'm excited to take you guys inside, and I will show you around a little bit, and then I'll show you anything that I purchased at the end of the video. Like I mentioned, this Goodwill is located in Garner, North Carolina. For all of my local subscribers that might be watching, it's right off of Highway 40 at mile marker 312. And also leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite item was on today's thrifting trip. The first thing that caught my eye was this collection of map faces. There were a lot of different shapes and sizes, and it looks like they were all originally from TJ Maxx. Then I came across the most unique globe I've ever seen. It was really heavy and I didn't get a chance to look at the price on it, but I'm sure it'll get a great home. I came across this vintage ice cream freezer, and it seems like a pretty good deal at only $5.99, assuming that it works and it has all the pieces. So this is something you definitely don't see every day. And leave me a comment down below and let me know if you still have a landline telephone. I honestly didn't think they still made Chia pets. I haven't seen one in a really long time. I actually remember getting one of these as a gift when I was a kid. I came across these 3 glasses. I thought they were pretty unique. I liked the pattern on them. I wasn't sure who they were made by. I didn't see a maker's mark on them. So if anybody knows, let me know down in the comments. Hey Dad, if you're watching this video, no, I didn't get you this pillow. Go heels. Speaking of a beauty haul, I recently did a self-care haul video that included some of my favorite beauty items. I will link it down in the description box in case you missed it. The last item that I wanted to share with you was this really pretty purse that I came across. It did have a tag on it. It was made by Bead Weaves. Right when I was checking out, I noticed that the globe was sitting on the counter. Someone had just purchased it and they were about to load it in their car, so I'm so glad it got a great home. So now I'm going to show you what I purchased today. The first couple of items that I purchased were these velvet hangers. Each bundle was $1.89. I thought that was a pretty good deal. I currently have these type of hangers in my closet and I absolutely love them. So I thought I would use the ones that I got today to replace some of my daughter Hannah's hangers. Her closet is a little bit messy right now, and here is what one side looks like. There's just a mismatch of different plastic hangers in there right now, so I thought I would replace them with the new ones that I got. So here is what the side of her closet looks like now. Hannah was really happy to see her closet organized somewhat. So now we just need to get some more of these hangers and do the other side of her closet. The next item that I purchased was a lampshade. This one happened to be brand new. There was still the plastic on it. It came from Target and it was only $1.99. I looked this lampshade up online on the Target website and it retailed for $10.99, so I thought I got a great deal on this. If you remember back in week 31, I found the 2 milk glass lamps that I purchased for $3.99 a piece. I have been looking for lampshades for them. On week 36, I found one lampshade. I got it for $1, and I put one of the lamps on my entryway table here. And I decided to use the other lamp that I purchased in my spare bedroom on the end table that I have. So I was really happy to find the lampshade today so I could finally complete the lamp set. And here is what it looks like in the bedroom. I turned the light on and I think it goes perfect with the decor that I have in the room. So that is all that I found on today's Goodwill thrifting trip. I hope this video inspires you to go out and go thrift because you never know what you're gonna find. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope to see you back for week 39.